German Shepherds, often known as GSDs, are one of the most beloved dog breeds worldwide. Renowned for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility, these dogs have served in various roles, from loyal family pets to working dogs in law enforcement and military. Today, we'll explore their remarkable traits, care tips, and the reasons behind their protective nature. German Shepherds are celebrated for their unwavering loyalty to their families. They form strong bonds with their humans, often displaying affection and devotion that is truly heartwarming. This loyalty is not just about companionship, it also makes them excellent guardians. Their inherent desire to protect their family members makes them natural protectors, always ready to swoop in and defend when they sense danger. But what drives this protective instinct? Historically, GSDs were bred to be herding dogs, which required them to be alert and attentive. Over generations, this trait has evolved into a keen sense of vigilance toward their surroundings. They are known to assess situations, determining when to be friendly and when to stand firm. This quality makes them fantastic watchdogs and trusted companions who will always have your back. To reap the full benefits of a GSD's loyalty and protectiveness, proper care is essential. Here are some vital tips to ensure your German Shepherd remains healthy and happy. Regular exercise. German Shepherds are high-energy dogs that require ample exercise. Aim for at least 1 hour of vigorous activity daily, including walks, playtime, and mental stimulation through training or puzzle toys. Balanced diet. Feeding your GSD a high-quality, balanced diet is crucial for their overall health. Talk to your veterinarian about the best nutrition plan based on your dog's age, size, and activity level. Socialization. Early socialization is key for GSDs. Expose them to various people, environments, and other animals to help them develop a well-rounded temperament. This practice helps reduce anxiety or aggression toward unfamiliar situations. Training. Consistent training reinforces good behavior and strengthens your bond. GSDs thrive on learning, so consider basic obedience classes or advanced training in agility or protection work for mental engagement. Healthcare. Regular veterinary checkups, vaccinations, and preventative care like flea and tick control are essential. Keep an eye on their dental health, as large breeds can be prone to dental issues. In conclusion, German Shepherds embody loyalty, intelligence, and protective instincts that make them extraordinary companions. Through proper care and training, we can nurture these traits, ensuring they remain healthy and happy members of our family. Remember, a well-cared-for GSD is not just a pet, they are a dedicated protector and a loving friend for life. Thank you for joining me to celebrate the incredible German Shepherd. If you have any questions or share your experiences with GSDs, feel free to comment below.